Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please click on that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of the new videos I've got coming up for things that I've done on the 335i, some catch-up videos that I'm producing of things that I've done in the past that I've never recorded, other videos of projects that I have on some of the family cars, as well as just some general DIYs that I do around the house. Now in today's video, I'm going to discuss a comment that was left from my last video where I upgraded the PCV valves on my 335i. And that comment came from J Squared. And he asks, tell me more about intakes. It's funny you asked that, Jay. It's been almost a year to the day that I installed this cold air intake system into my vehicle. Back then, I wasn't into doing any of these videos. I would spend my time looking at YouTube and seeing what other people were doing, projects, DIYs, maintenance, etc., for everything in the world, and I would just apply it and do it at home, and I would feel great that I didn't have to spend all that extra money. Well, as of late, you've kind of bugged me, like you should be making videos, you should be making videos. I'm trying. I've got a few up there, and here's just another. But I'm going to answer your question. So this cold air intake system, hold on a second. Let's go back to what we just did on your car. Now, you were here about a couple of weeks ago, and you discovered some kind of intake hose breakage in your Mercedes E550, and you just kind of went livid. You couldn't understand how Mercedes could put such a cheap cloth kind of product in your car. Well, what do we do about it? Mr. MacGyver here came up with the plan. Where did we go? Home Depot. We picked up some wonderful dryer vent tubing, and I MacGyvered the shit out of your car, right? And you made a nice video, and you put it on your channel. I got a bone to pick with you, bro. You cut everything out of what I did. You just eliminated it. It's not there. You went from, this is shit, this is what came in my car, we got to get it changed, to, ta-da, here it is. And you went into a cold start, and you just completely forgot about me. No credits. You didn't even pay me. You didn't even buy me lunch. And we had a beer, but it came from my fridge. So, dude, where's the love, man? You just cut me out. Anyway, let's get back to this cold air intake system. So it's from ECS Tuning. It was a little expensive. I saw a lot of people that had different types of cold air intake systems put in their vehicles. I saw this one on ECS Tuning. I happened to be browsing. I had a credit, and I said, what could I buy? And I came across this system. It's carbon fiber. It's got a really nice bracket, and it's kind of secure. And I thought, that's what I want. I don't want stuff rattling in my engine bay and making any noise. So I picked this one up, a little bit pricey, but as I said, I had a discount, I had a store credit, I got it relatively cheap. And it's made by ECS, and it's got a brand name of Cauliflower, Cowl Faker, Colon Sphincter. I have no idea what the hell the guy's name is. Oh yeah, Kalfeza Look Technic Twin Cone Intake. Yeah, say that 10 times fast. Anyway, I'm going to show you a close-up of it, and you'll see how it's set up. Unfortunately, I'm not going to reverse engineer it and show you how I put it back on. I wish I had the time. It's very, very simple. Believe me. Remove, replace, minimal amount of time, and you can have a really nice cold air intake system in your vehicle. So check it out. So here's the setup of the twin cone intake. And you can see right off the bat, the carbon fiber stares you right in the face. It's really nice. Very, very well done. The cones do not sit on the engine. They don't touch the manifold. No parts of the engine because it's sitting on that bracket. So you don't have any issues with it getting hot or burning, melting, or anything else that may cause damage to the cones or the system. They do not rattle because of the bracket system that it has, the support. When I took off the original airbox, the plastic airbox, it had these grommet points here, these rubber grommets. One there, one here, and one on the other side right back there. And all I had to do was push down on the bracket into place and then attach the tubes there and down there. And that's it. That's how simple it was. It is very secure. The bracket looks really nice. Got a little advertising staring right at you there with Mr. Cauliflower himself, or whatever the guy's name is. I think it looks really, really well. It is secure. I've never had any issues with it. A little pricier than what the other intake systems go for, but I had the discount from ECS. I had a credit as well, so I got it at a good price. I have noticed that the price has gone up on other websites, and there is an option that comes with the air box in carbon fiber if you don't want to expose your cones. Yeah, that sounded kind of funny. I don't want to show my cones either. Anyway, yeah, there is an option that has the air box that covers those cones, and the airflow is directed right into the box, and it resides right on there. It's over $700. I didn't go for that option. I don't think it was out when I purchased these a year ago. I wish I had the opportunity to kind of reverse engineer it, take it apart, and show you how easy it is to put on. However, it's pretty straightforward. You can see once you've got your air box off, you've got those 3 mounting points there. Push down on the brackets, secure your tubes with the provided screws, and then attach the cones with the clamps. And that's it. So I'm very happy with the way they look. Again, I haven't had any issues with it. They're sturdy, they're not going anywhere, and they do dress up the engine bay rather nicely. So there you have it. That's the cold air intake system that I have in my vehicle from ECS Tuning. Looks really good. The carbon fiber stands out and gives a nice look to my engine bay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Keep coming back and see what else I have going on. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.